Subscribe the Puneet Tech English channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of my new uploaded videos before everyone and get a chance to sing my video before every person.
Friends, welcome to a brand new episode of Puneet Tech English. Friends, if you are Android customization lover or love flexing your phone using PC, then minimal ADB and FASTBOOT is not a new name for you. But if you are not, then I will tell that minimal ADB and FASTBOOT works like a bridge between Android and PC, from which we can send various commands to Android using our PC, like flashing, rebooting to bootloader, and many more. Friends, in this video, I will tell you how to set up minimal ADB and FASTBOOT to your PC and her drivers to PC. So friends, if you like my video, hit the like button, comment down below, and hit the subscribe button to get the new notification of my uploaded videos. So friends, rather than taking more time, we will start our video. I am Puneet Sharma and you are watching Puneet Tech English.
Friends, for installing minimal ADB and FASTBOOT on your PC, you have to first download a file from the link that was given in the description named Puneet Tech. After downloading it, just extract it. After extraction is done, you will see a folder named Puneet Tech consisting of two files, minimal ADB and FASTBOOT and ADB driver installer. First click on that and now run the setup. Click on yes in the administrator permissions and then click next. Click on I accept the agreement. Next. Tick here, create a desktop icon. Next, install, and you will see that the setup was installed. Now untick launch minimal ADB and FASTBOOT. Click on finish. Now for installing the drivers of your Android on your PC for using minimal ADB and FASTBOOT, you have to go on your Android device and change some settings.
On Android, you have to go to the settings and scroll down until you will find About Phone. After finding About Phone, just click on it and find build number in it. Click on build number 7 times. If you are a MI user, then you will see MIUI version. Now hit back and you will see a new menu named Developer Options in the setting menu. Click on that and search for the option USB debugging, and now just enable it. After that, you will go to your computer desktop.
To the desktop, now we have to install the drivers. For installing driver, we have to open this folder and use this file named ADB drive installer. But first, you have to connect your Android from PC with a data cable. After connecting your Android using a data cable, you will see a pop-up on your Android name allow USB debugging. Just click on always for this PC and click OK. Now open this folder and run ADB driver installer. Click on yes and now click on install. After some time, you will see ADB driver is installed. Now we will check that the ADB drivers are installed perfectly or not. For that, you have to run minimal ADB and FASTBOOT and type a command named ADB devices and hit enter. If you will see this type of serial number and device was written at the back of it, means your ADB drivers are installed properly. But if you see online or unauthorized in this area, or you will not see any serial number, means the data cable is not connected properly or the drivers was not installed properly. For that, you will try to reconnect the data cable or reinstall the drivers using the same procedure that I will discuss. Now friends, we have installed ADB and FASTBOOT on our device. That's all for this video. On next video, I will show you some important and useful ADB and FASTBOOT commands that make your Android tweaks easy. So friends, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button and share this video.
So friends, I hope that you will like my video. If you like my video, hit the like button and the subscribe button and comment down below. And if you have any problem regarding this video, comment down below and I will give the solution as soon as possible. So friends, that's all for today. I am Buddy Sharma and keep watching Bunny Tech English.